Zhe Jiang Hao Sanitary Ware Company Limited has been dedicating to disposable sanitary personal care product, specializing in the production of adult diaper, adult pant diaper, underpad, sanitary pad, maternity pad, and pet pad, etc. Our company are located in Chuzhou, Zhe Jiang. Hao, over the years, has always adhered to quality of products in order to survive, credibility and development services, business purposes. Have a professional team, from OEM product design, mold making, molding, to the product assembly. For each aspect and processes are rigorously testing and control. Over the past few years of production and management and exploration, Hao set up its own quality management system. Beside, we have received the ISO 9001 certification. IFA, Hao, to always implement the concept of customer value creation for customers' tailored products to meet the needs of different customers, and continuously provide customers with solutions and technical problems. Further exploration and innovation and excellence. As a result of our high-quality products and outstanding customer service, we have gained a global sales network reaching Asia, Africa, North of America, South of America, Europe, etc. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.